Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the caramelized onion. So now I'm going to start. You need to prepare these things for make the caramelized onion. You can take the white onions, and also you need salt or pepper, sugar, and some teriyaki sauce. First you need to cut the onion in the both side. Then you have to peel the skin. Make sure everything is clean. After you clean all the onions, just wash. Then I show you how to cut the onion. You have to slice in this way because we need to separate all the layers in the onion, otherwise it stick together. So you have to cut it in this way. So in this way easy for us to separate all the layers. You can see now it's easy to separate all the layers in the onion, so that's why we need to cut in this way. It's like this. Make sure it's a bit of thicker when you cut, because after we bake it become very small. So after I cut all the onions, you have to be separated all the layers as like this, so then it's cooked very well. Otherwise it's half cooked in the middle, so you have to make it separate all the layers. Then first of all I'm going to adding some olive oil. Add some pepper, add some salt, add some sugar. Sugar is not too much, only for the sweeter taste, so you can add a bit, not too much. Then last, teriyaki sauce. After you put everything, then you can start mixing. Make sure is everything mixed well until the color is a light, very lighter brown, in like this, very lighter brown. So don't put too much of teriyaki sauce also. uh, so just nice in this color, because after we going to bake. Then you need a tray, then the aluminum foil. uh, you have to wrap with the aluminum foil. Before you put the onion, you need to put some olive oil, otherwise the onions will stick to the aluminum foil. After you put olive oil, just make sure it's rubbed everywhere so it won't stick to the aluminum foil. Then you can put all the onions there. As you can see the color, make sure it's not too brown, otherwise it's too sweet. So uh, we want to make it a bit healthier, so we don't put too much sugar, too much teriyaki sauce. So after you put everything, make sure it's everything you put nicely, otherwise it's one side cooked, one side is not cooked. Then in the oven we make the Fahrenheit 200 temperature, and I'm going to cook 20 to 25 minutes. uh, if more than that it will be burnt, so the best time is 20 to 25 minutes. You have to put it in this way, so on top is much better. You can start the timer. And after 10 minutes you need to turn it upside down and mix it everything, because otherwise only on top is cooked. So we have to turn it upside down, so the down layer also will be cooked nicely. This is after 25 minutes, it's turned the golden brown and it's cooked nicely, and smell is super good. You can see everywhere it's golden brown, so it's cooked very well and nice. You can eat with the bread, everything, rice, you can use it for everything. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. See you again.